Compound microscope. So compound microscope is a combination of two convex lenses. So there is a two lens. One lens is called objective. The another lens is called eyepiece. The lens which is very closer to the object is called objective lens. The lens which is closer to our eye is called eye lens. So it is called as eyepiece. So when the ray from the object falls on the objective lens, then it will converge the light, because it is a convex lens. It will converge the light and it will meet at a particular point. So the image A dash B dash is formed. The image A dash B dash is formed because of the object AB. So the image will be formed within the focus of the eyepiece. The focus of the eyepiece is here. Okay, so the focus of the eyepiece is here. The image of the object lens is within the focus of the eyepiece. Then what will happen? Yes, the image, this image is an object for this eyepiece. So this image, this object image will produce the virtual and erect. So this is a erect for this one. So the same erect image will be formed. Virtual image is formed here. So what we are able to see, that our eye will see this object. We think that this object only we are seeing that. No, our eye will see only this image. So this image will act as an object for our eye. Then our eye convex lens forms a real and inverted image. Then the image will be erected. So likewise it will go. So this is the principle of compound microscope. Very basic principle is the image will be formed within focus and the optic center. Hence it will form virtual and erect image. Don't see that it is inverted image, sir. So the object is in this inverted. So the image is also inverted, means this is the same erect image. Okay, now we will see how to calculate the magnification. We know that magnification is equal to visual angle by object angle. That is a image angle by object angle. The image angle is this one. This is the beta. This beta is a image angle. The image will be common from here. So this is the beta. So tan beta, which is equal to opposite side by adjacent. Opposite is a h bar and adjacent is a OB dash. What is a OB dash? This is a object for eyepiece, so UE. So this image, this is the image of the objective lens. This is the object, but this image is the object for eyepiece. So we can write it UE. So the tan beta, which is equal to h bar UE. Then tan alpha, which is equal to h by d. This is a d value. This is a h value. So the tan alpha, which is equal to h by d. Then we can rewrite as magnification m is equal to h bar by h into d by ue. What is a h bar by h? That is the image height by object height is a magnification of which one? This is a objective lens. This is a h. This is a h bar. So for the objective lens, this is the magnification. So we can write total magnification is objective lens magnification into what is the d by ue? D is a image distance of the eyepiece. This is eyepiece. The image is formed here. So this is a image distance by object distance. V by u is a magnification. So d by ue. So the d by ue is a magnification of eyepiece. So the total magnification of the compound microscope is the multiplication of object eyepiece, magnification of object and magnification of the eyepiece lenses. So m0 into me. As we are know that the eyepiece acts as a simple microscope. Yes, a simple microscope works on this principle only. So the me, which is equal to, that is a magnification of the eyepiece, is equal to d by ue. For the least distance vision, this formula is 1 plus d by fe. These are all the derivations we are already completed in simple microscope derivation. So the d is a image distance. Which one image distance? Objective lens image distance. This d is objective lens, that is a v0 by u0 into 1 plus. Sorry students. So this is a me. We can write d plus d by fe. This v0 by ue also we can derive in the simple microscope. Me, which is equal to v0 by ue into 1 plus d by Fe. So this is the magnification of eyepiece. This is the magnification of eyepiece when object is at focus. So if I move this object very closer to this focus, where the image will be formed? The image will be formed at V0. That is a tube length. The image is also moves towards. So this is the tube length. The distance between the objective lens and the eye lens is a tube length. So that is L. So M0, which is equal to V0 by U0. V by U is a magnification formula. Here V is a tube length and U is a U0. That U0 is equal to what is that? So we are bringing this object to the focus. So this focus and the object length is focal length. So F0. So that is the U0 is equal to F0 minus F0. So we know the M0 value and the ME value. As we are derived that total magnification of the compound microscope is a product of objective microscope and the eye lens objective lens magnification and the eyepiece magnification is a total magnification. So then by using this formula, this is the objective lens magnification, this is the eyepiece magnification. If you substitute these two things, L by minus F0 here, M0, then this whole terms will come here. Here we are not using a V0 by U0, this one, ME which is equal to this one. Dear students, here I will put E0, so that will not come. So this is the eyepiece magnification. So we have to substitute this D plus Fe only. So this is the compound microscope image formation by the compound microscope when the final image is formed at least distance of distance vision. So this is the least distance of distance vision. For least distance of distant vision, this is the magnification formula. For the same compound microscope, when the final image is formed at infinity, what will happen? So we will see that very simple. I will show this picture. So this picture shows that the image formed, the final image is formed at infinity. So very simple, the focus image is formed at infinity means the objective magnification MO is equal to HI by H0, H, that is a L by minus F0. That is already we are derived here. That is a M0 which is equal to minus L by F0. Similarly, then the angular magnification, that is a eyepiece magnification, is here as D plus 1 plus D by Fe. So this D by UE will come. This D by UE will come. That is the UE is a focus, eyepiece focus. So we can write this one. What is that? So eyepiece is ME which is equal to D by Fe. Finally, the total magnification is M0 into ME which is equal to minus L by F0 into D by Fe. So that is the things we are shown here. So very clearly, students. So magnification of objective lens, magnification of the eyepiece at image formed at infinity position is very simple. Just you understand the image is formed at infinity. So in this video, we are completely detailedly studied about compound microscope image formation at least distance vision as well as in the image formed at infinity. The simple underlining property is the total magnification is equal to magnification of the objective lens into magnification of eyepiece. This magnification of the eyepiece works on the principle of simple microscope.